this is Matt from InvestiQuant. Today is Thursday, December 9, 2021. The markets have been pretty quiet today overall. This is the S&P chart here in the top left. You can see we had a gap down this morning, and we have chopped around sideways. We are holding above the open and not far off the highs of the session currently, but we're trading completely within yesterday's price action. We've got a little bit different patterns in some of the other instruments, but we'll be paying attention to the pattern that's taken place here in the S&P for the daily IQ this afternoon, and we will be looking at that inside day pattern that's forming here that is trading above the open. So let me go ahead and get this set up. I'm going to add all four instruments, even though currently it is only going to be applicable for the S&P, assuming it holds true into the time of entry, which I'm going to select as 3 p.m. Eastern time. It'll be set up as a long that'll exit at 4:15 p.m. Eastern time. Now, this morning we gapped down at the open. I'm going to add that from the gap direction. I'm just clicking on gap down. That adds it to the test. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to click on post open filters. This is where I can add information around what has happened since the open of regular trading hours, which is 9:30 a.m. Eastern time. So between the open and the time of entry, I'm going to describe the action as trading above the open at the time of entry, which is 3 o'clock. So I'm going to hit equals next to close above open. And then I'm going to say that the high of today is not greater than the prior high. And I'm going to say that the low of today is not less than the prior low. So that creates an inside day where you are trading above the open. All right, next I'm going to go into the indicators library. I'm going to say we are trading above a 10 and 200 day simple moving average, and that will complete everything I need for the study. Now I can click view results. All right, here we go. These are the results based upon entering the market long at 3 p.m. Eastern time, exiting at 4:15 p.m. Eastern time. When you gap down and you have an inside day forming and you're trading above the open at 3 o'clock. This is taking place above a 10 and 200 day simple moving average. We have 128 samples in the S&P dating back to 2003 for this pattern. The NASDAQ has seen it happen 94 times, the Dow 103, and the Russell 73. The win rates on 3 of the 4 are pretty much identical at 60%, and that's for the S&P, the NASDAQ, and the Dow. The Russell's the only one with a different win rate, and it's coming in at 52%. It also has the fewest sample sizes. If we look at the average moves, they are very similar in size for the S&P. For the NASDAQ, they're pretty similar in size, as is the Dow, and the Russell not far off in size either. So overall, this pattern has been a little bit bullish historically, and once again, this is only true for the S&P as of right now, and you'll have to kind of confirm that at 3 o'clock to see if it is still true. The others have some characteristics taking place that do not quite fit this criteria. So hopefully you found that helpful. Good luck today, and we will see you next time.